van build day. Ow, my shoulder. Okay. I'm not going to be overly ambitious today, which is a lie. I'm overly ambitious every day. We're going to redo this wall that had a bunch of miscuts on it so it looks cleaner. And get some sound deadening down and start these bench seats. Welcome to van build day 5.
Very first light, Chief. Charge concluded. Sharks in order.
You're moving kind of fucking quickly for somebody that just had a knee replacement, though. Hi. Relax. Crybaby.
Caution. Contents hot. Caution. Contents hot. Caution. Contents hot. You got to give.
And my OCD. Here's my wall. Alright, so we pulled the old wall out because it was just ugly and the shit around the wheel well was sloppy. I guess the first one didn't have this like seatbelt cover wasn't on. So Matt's gonna measure again.
Measure 9 fucking times.
Yeah, because look, man, I have a bad eye. I'm going blind in my left eye again. This first whole section, we're redoing this because all I said was someone double check my marks, make sure I'm on point with my math. So they double checked my marks, made new marks. And I'm like, oh fuck, man, I really am blind. All my shit was really fucked up. No, my shit wasn't. My shit was on where it was supposed to be. The blind bitch. So we're redoing it.
2.5.
2.5?
2.5. Actually, no.
Well, I was figuring take it. Okay, you see where the seam is?
Because he measured it to here.
Okay, take it to.
Alright.
Because it'll look like shit. If we're gonna recut it, we're doing it right. No, there's nothing wrong here. Worst case scenario, take it here. When this goes back into its place, this has to be notched out maybe a little bit. So or we'll cut this with a Dremel. It's not that big of a fucking deal. And then it's still gonna mate up against this wall. So, well, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just doesn't have to look so fucking janky. So remeasure.
Well, I don't need to remeasure that.
Is that where it was? Yeah. Double check. I want to, like, I didn't see it, man. I don't want to fucking blow through another sheet. I just want to make sure this template lines up. Hold that.
Double and triple checking.
So we'll need to shape that up here.
Content's hot. You get to give me all you got.
Caution. Contents hot. 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 You got to give me all you got.
Caution. Content's hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution. Content's hot. You get to give me all you got.
Never tried one of these before. Seems pretty easy. You just set your guide in the same spot that you set your jig, which is set to the thickness of the material. I'm gonna do a test run first. We already got the wall in, by the way. It's like one piece. It looks so much better. My anxiety is not as bad now.
Caution, content's hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution, content's hot. You got to give me all you got. All you got. All you got. All you got.
Caution. Content's hot.
Fuck, this is so dirty.
Content's hot. Content's hot. You got to give me all you got.
Well, the power stuff will go in there, I think. Just need to figure it back. Alright, let's figure out what we want to do for backboards. Day 5. There's no point in showing you. We packed everything up because we're sweaty and gross and need to get showered and ew. But yeah, we got some bench seats in. Got a new wall up. Finished the miscut on the ceiling. Put some new studs up for there. What else did we do? I fixed all the little dumb shit. And then we put the benches sort of together. I gotta make a back part for it. But yeah. That's where we're at. I'm tired and I'm disgusting. And I'm tired. I'll see y'all next week.